Upgrade your iPhone. USB-C case replaces Lightning port. Imagine being able to transform your older iPhone into a device that feels just as modern as the latest model, all thanks to a simple accessory. That's exactly what one innovative engineer has achieved with a new iPhone case that swaps out the traditional Lightning port for USB-C. This groundbreaking product doesn't just aim to make life easier. It's also taking a stand against planned obsolescence by extending the lifespan of older devices. Ken Pillonel, the creative mind behind this invention, initially gained attention back in 2021 when he became the first person to successfully modify an iPhone to feature a USB-C port instead of the standard Lightning connector. His viral project made waves across tech communities worldwide, sparking conversations about Apple's proprietary charging standards and their environmental impact. Now, Pillonel is stepping things up with a solution that's accessible to everyone. A phone case designed to bring USB-C functionality to older iPhones without requiring any permanent modifications. This isn't just another DIY hack. Pillonel explains in the description of his recent YouTube video showcasing the product. https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=kexkzvd1tdi. It's the most ambitious project I've ever worked on. By turning his original proof of concept into a tangible consumer product, Pillonel hopes to empower users to keep their current devices longer while enjoying modern conveniences like faster charging speeds and broader compatibility. So how does it work? The case essentially reroutes the connection between the phone's internal hardware and external ports, allowing USB-C cables to interact seamlessly with older iPhones. Available starting today via obsolescence.com. http://obsolescence.com. The cases are compatible with most models and priced between $45 to $55, a small price to pay for added versatility. Key features include support for MagSafe charging, data transfers to computers, CarPlay integration, and, perhaps most impressively, 9V fast charging regardless of cable orientation. In Pillonel's earlier experiments, fast charging only worked if the USB-C cable was inserted correctly. Now, this limitation has been eliminated entirely. But here's where it gets tricky and potentially controversial. While the case supports essential functions like fast charging and data transfer, certain advanced capabilities available through Apple's Lightning ecosystem may not be fully supported. According to Pillonel, anything beyond what I've guaranteed, fast charging, data transfers, and CarPlay, isn't officially supported, and you'll need to remove the case to access those features. Why? Because Apple tightly controls adapters for Lightning-enabled devices, ensuring they can collect licensing fees on every adapter sold. This raises questions about whether such practices stifle innovation or protect quality control, an ongoing debate within the tech community. To sweeten the deal, the case comes with practical extras like an additional SIM card slot, perfect for travelers who frequently switch between different networks abroad, and a built-in lanyard attachment for added convenience. At launch, the case will only be available in dark gray, but Pillonel promises more color options arriving in September. This isn't Pillonel's first rodeo when it comes to reimagining Apple's proprietary designs. He's previously tackled other Lightning-based products, including AirPods. https://www.theverge.com/2022-2/5/106-4915/USB-C-AirPods-mod-Lightning-port-Ken-Pillonel, and even the high-end AirPods Max. https://202-4/2/8/2/408-5141/Apple-AirPods-C-Ken-Pillonel-mod. Last October, he introduced commercially available cases for AirPods. https://www.theverge.com/202-4/10/3/24260-8/Apple-AirPods-Pro-Max-USB-C-Upgrade-Ken-Pillonel. aiming to eliminate the hassle of carrying multiple cables or adapters. With this new iPhone case, Pillonel continues his mission to simplify connectivity and reduce electronic waste. And this is the part most people miss. Beyond its technical achievements, this case represents a bold statement about sustainability and user empowerment. Should companies like Apple do more to embrace universal standards rather than locking customers into proprietary ecosystems? Or would that compromise the unique experiences their devices offer? These are the kinds of questions Pillonel's work invites us to consider. What do you think? Is this the future of smartphone accessories? Or does it tread too far into uncharted territory? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from both supporters and skeptics alike. Transform your iPhone. Add a USB-C port with innovative cases. Imagine being able to breathe new life into your old iPhone with just a simple case. Ken Pillonel, a robotics engineer with a knack for innovation, has done just that by creating smartphone cases that equip older iPhones with a USB-C port. This isn't Pillonel's first rodeo. Back in 2021, he made headlines by crafting the world's first USB-C iPhone, a project that garnered significant attention. https://www.engadget.com/the-USB-C-i-phone- becomes -a-robotics-engineer-113-5566672.html. Now, he's back with a practical solution that addresses the growing obsolescence of older iPhones. Apple has long been known for its proprietary Lightning port, which has been a staple in its smartphones for over a decade. While the Lightning port was revolutionary when introduced in 2012, https://www.engadget.com/2012-09-12-apple-details-new-doc-connector-it's called -lightning.html. It quickly became a source of frustration for users who had to juggle multiple adapters and dongles to stay connected. As the tech industry moved towards the universal standard of USB-C, Apple finally bid farewell to the Lightning port in 2022. https://www.engadget.com/mobile/apple-officially-bid-farewell-to-dash-the-lightning-port-after-133-years-163402113.html. Pillonel's innovative case is a game-changer for those who still cherish their older iPhones but want to stay up-to-date with modern technology. The goal is to give some extra life to those older devices by making them feel less obsolete. He explains in a captivating video. https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=cactivd1tdi that delves into the design process. His shop, Obsolescence, https://obsolescence.com, offers a range of cases compatible with all 20 iPhone models from the Lightning era that can run the current iOS. These cases promise fast charging capabilities and full data transfer speeds, ensuring seamless connectivity with both computers and CarPlay. But here's where it gets interesting. Pillonel isn't stopping there. He plans to expand the color options available, with new hues set to launch in September. This move not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the cases, but also caters to the diverse preferences of iPhone users. For those fascinated by the intricacies of product design and engineering, Pillonel's video is a must-watch. It provides a behind-the-scenes look at the challenges and solutions involved in creating such a product. And this is the part most people miss. Pillonel's work extends beyond the iPhone. He has also tackled other Apple products, including the AirPods. https://www.engadget.com/and-engineer-141540375.html?guc counter=1 and AirPods Max. https://www.engadget.com/and-apple-modder-added-a-USB-C-port-to-the-AirPods-Max-kit- by-a-kit- to do the same 140018507.html, demonstrating his commitment to keeping technology accessible and user-friendly. What do you think about Pillonel's approach to extending the life of older devices? Is it a brilliant solution, or does it raise concerns about the sustainability of modifying gadgets? Share your thoughts in the comments below.